There were two families used to live nearby. At one of the family's home, always fighting was going on, shouting was going on. They used to shriek at each other. On the contrary, another family, another family's house, nothing was going on. They used to live very quietly, friendly, and happily. So once what happened, when the another families just was looking at everything, so in the feeling of jealous, once wife asked her husband, go and check it out, how they are living this much quietly, what is the reason for well-being, go and check it out. Husband went to the neighbor's house, and he did not go in. He just stood beside the window and started peeping through the window. He found a woman mopping the floor. Suddenly something distracted the woman, and she ran towards kitchen. At that moment, husband rushed into the room, and he did not notice the bucket which was kept on the floor. He kicked it and spilled the water. The water was spilled completely. Wife came. She said, sorry honey, I did not move the bucket out of the way. I was supposed to keep it out of the room. Husband said, no, it was not the fault of yours, it was the fault of mine, because I did not notice it. I did not notice it. I was also in hurry. In this way, they said sorry to each other and hugged each other with a smile. Outside, husband, who was peeping through the window, he came back. His wife also came to him, asked him, what did he find over there? Husband said, I think there is only one difference which we were supposed to understand earlier. In our family, we all are seeking to be right, correct. And in their family, all are always seeking to take the responsibility. So when you people take the responsibility, it means relationship goes well, business goes better. Because when somebody takes the responsibility, if I take the responsibility on my part, if somebody, not only somebody, if people take the responsibility on their part, so it means they are ready to seek for the solution. They understand what is the real life when you really understand the responsibility. And responsibilities come to those who shoulder them. So this is the reason of being happy. This is the reason of being well in business, in family. If you really want to feel proud in business, if you want to feel happy in relationship, you need to take the responsibility. So guys, in our life also it happens when we fight with our family members. If I fight with my wife, if I fight with my child, so it means I'm not taking the responsibility which I'm supposed to take it. So for my part, I'm supposed to take the responsibility. I do it. If you people are missing something, somehow, sometimes it happens every now and then, every once in a while, when you are getting angry, you are getting infuriated. So check it out. Who's missing the responsibility? If you feel another person is missing and he is not, yeah, she is not ready to take the responsibility, you take the responsibility. You don't seek to be right, seek to take the responsibility. In this way, relation will go for long lasting. These relations will be called long lasting relationship. This business will be called long lasting business, because where we are seeking to take the responsibility. If you like this video, so please comment in the box. And the thing is that if you people want that me to make these sorts of videos continuously, so do subscribe to my channel. My name is Jitendra Gangwani. I've been a trainer in Jeet Pinnacle Institute since 2005. Thank you guys for listening to me. Have a nice time. I hate.